Akiaria hindi ya giikaro thukuru-ini wa Kenya School of Government kaunti-ini ya Embu, mutabariri wa mihang'o ministry-ini ya Gender Rachel Shebesh augite nimegukorwo making'ethanira kiwatho na marigitari hamwe na macibu aria makoretwo magitikiria ugimarithia wa airitu ukorwo ugitwarithio nambere.
Parents are going to be arrested because they need to know. Cutters will be arrested. Any provincial administration or police that is complacent on that issue will be arrested. If it is medicalization, we will close that clinic. We will arrest that nurse, former nurse.
Shebesh augite ni woigirereki wa thirikari gutigirira mwana wa muiritu ni agitirwo na njira iria yagiriire. Guku akiuga thirikari ni gukorwo ikinyitanira na atongoria a makanitha hamwe na matura hari kuhurana na mbara ino.
Our fundamental work as government and the president is to protect the girl child. To protect the girl child, just the same way he has to protect the whole country, the whole society.
Muikariri gite wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ugimarithia wa airitu Agnes Pareyo augite macibu nio mari na uigirereki munene na matigukorwo makirica guoko kwa watho wona manyitikana makihithirira aria maratabania cieko ici.
We have the Children's Act, we have the Act of Parliament, they are all there, but it's like FGM has not really moved.
Mwena-ini wake kamishna wa kaunti ya Embu Abdullahi Galgal augite thirikari ya kaunti ni hariirie kuigana na ni hotorete kuhurana na mbara ya ugimarithia wa airitu nginyagia muthia wayo.
We wouldn't wish to have any girl get pregnant in Embu County or the country as at large.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.